Pork is a popular meat worldwide. Many cultures enjoy pork in different dishes. From bacon at breakfast to sausages at dinner, pork is a versatile meat. The large-scale production of pork is important for feeding the world's population. Demand for pork continues to grow. This essay will explore how farmers raise pigs for pork production. We'll follow the journey of a pig from birth to becoming food on our table. We'll look at the methods used in modern farming and processing. Finally, we'll consider the benefits and concerns of these practices. The life of a pig raised for meat begins on a farm. From the moment they are born, these piglets are part of a carefully managed process designed to ensure their health and growth. The journey of these animals is meticulously planned and monitored by dedicated farmers. Female pigs, called sows, are kept in controlled environments. These environments are designed to provide the sows with the best possible conditions for their health and well-being. The barns are equipped with modern technology to maintain optimal temperature, cleanliness, and comfort for the animals. Farmers carefully select sows for breeding. This selection process is crucial as it determines the quality and health of the future piglets. Farmers look for sows that exhibit strong health, good temperament, and the ability to produce large litters. This careful selection ensures that the next generation of pigs will be robust and healthy. They choose sows that produce large litters of healthy piglets. A sow's ability to nurture a large number of piglets is a key factor in her selection. This trait is important for the efficiency and productivity of the farm. Healthy, large litters mean more piglets that can be raised to maturity. The sows are bred with male pigs, called boars. The breeding process is carefully managed to ensure the best genetic traits are passed on to the offspring. Farmers often use advanced techniques and knowledge of genetics to select the best boars for breeding. After a gestation period of about 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, the sow gives birth. This precise gestation period is well known among farmers and is a critical part of the farming calendar. The birth of piglets is a significant event on the farm, marking the beginning of a new cycle of life. The piglets are born into a clean and temperature-controlled environment. This controlled setting is essential for the health and survival of the newborn piglets. The barns are kept at an optimal temperature to ensure the piglets are warm and comfortable, which is crucial for their early development. Farmers ensure the piglets receive proper nutrition and care from their mothers. The first few days of a piglet's life are critical, and farmers pay close attention to their needs. They make sure the piglets are nursing properly and receiving the necessary nutrients to grow strong and healthy. This helps the piglets grow quickly and stay healthy. The combination of a controlled environment, careful breeding, and attentive care from farmers ensures that the piglets have the best start in life. As they grow, they will continue to be monitored and cared for, ensuring they reach maturity in the best possible condition. Farmers provide special feed for the piglets to grow big and strong. This feed is a mix of grains, vitamins, and minerals. The feed is carefully formulated to meet the pig's nutritional needs at different stages of growth. Modern farms use technology to monitor the pig's health and growth. Farmers can adjust the feed and living conditions to optimize growth. For example, they might adjust the temperature in the barns based on the age of the pigs. They also vaccinate the pigs to prevent diseases. These practices help farmers raise healthy pigs efficiently. When the pigs reach a certain weight, usually around 250 to 300 pounds, they are ready for processing. This weight range is optimal for ensuring the best quality of meat, balancing both the tenderness and the flavor. Farmers monitor the pig's growth closely, using precise scales and regular health checks to determine the perfect time for processing. This careful management ensures that the pigs are healthy and have reached their full potential. Farmers transport the pigs in trucks designed for safe and humane travel. These trucks are equipped with non-slip flooring to prevent injuries and are designed to provide a comfortable environment for the pigs. The loading process is done calmly and efficiently, with farmers using gentle guidance to move the pigs into the trucks. This minimizes stress and ensures that the pigs remain calm during the journey. The trucks are well ventilated and spacious enough to minimize stress on the animals during transport. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintain a stable temperature and provide fresh air, which helps to keep the pigs comfortable. The spacious design allows the pigs to move around freely, reducing the risk of overcrowding and injury. This attention to detail in the transport process is essential for maintaining the pigs' well-being. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the pigs are carefully unloaded. The unloading process is designed to be as smooth and stress-free as possible. Workers use ramps and gentle prodding to guide the pigs off the trucks and into the holding areas. This careful handling ensures that the pigs remain calm and reduces the risk of injury. The plant workers are trained to handle the animals humanely. They undergo regular training sessions to stay updated on the best practices for animal welfare. This includes understanding the pig's behavior and using techniques that minimize stress and discomfort. The workers' expertise and compassion play a crucial role in ensuring that the pigs are treated with respect and care throughout the process. The pigs are given access to water and rest before the processing begins. This period of rest is important for allowing the pigs to recover from the journey and to reduce any stress they may have experienced. Access to fresh water ensures that the pigs remain hydrated and comfortable. This rest period is a critical step in maintaining the quality of the meat, as it helps to keep the pigs calm and relaxed. This helps to minimize stress and ensure the quality of the meat. Stress can negatively impact the meat quality, making it tougher and less flavorful. By providing a calm and comfortable environment, the processing plant ensures that the pigs are in the best possible condition before processing begins. This careful management of the pig's journey from the farm to the processing plant is essential for producing high-quality meat that is both delicious and ethically sourced. Inside the pork processing plant, we witness a highly organized facility. The entire process is meticulously planned and executed to ensure efficiency and quality. From the moment the pigs arrive, every step is carefully monitored. First, the pigs are stunned to render them unconscious. This is a crucial step in ensuring the animals do not experience any pain or distress. The stunning process is carried out using state-of-the-art equipment designed to be as humane as possible. This ensures they feel no pain during the processing. Animal welfare is a top priority, and every measure is taken to treat the animals with respect and care throughout the process. Next, the removal of hair and bristles takes place. This step is essential for preparing the carcass for further processing. The hair removal process is thorough and efficient, ensuring that the carcass is clean and ready for the next stage. This is done with hot water and scraping machines. The hot water helps to loosen the hair, making it easier to remove with the scraping machines. This combination of techniques ensures that the carcass is completely clean. After cleaning, the carcasses are moved along a conveyor belt. The conveyor system is designed to transport the carcasses smoothly and efficiently through the various stages of processing. Trained butchers then cut the carcasses into different cuts of meat. These cuts include hams, loins, bacon, and ribs. Each butcher is highly skilled and trained to ensure that the cuts are made precisely and efficiently. Loins, bacon, and ribs are some of the most popular cuts. Each cut is carefully separated to ensure the highest quality and maximum yield. Each cut requires specific skills and techniques. The butchers use a variety of tools and methods to make sure each piece of meat is cut to perfection. Their expertise ensures that the meat is of the highest quality. The goal here is to maximize the amount of usable meat. By carefully cutting and processing the carcasses, the butchers ensure that as much meat as possible is harvested. This not only reduces waste but also ensures that consumers receive the best possible product. Once the meat is cut, it is then packaged. The packaging process is designed to keep the meat fresh and safe for consumption. Each package is labeled with important information such as the cut of meat, weight, and expiration date. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Each package is inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. This ensures that consumers receive a product that is not only delicious but also safe to eat. Finally, the packaged meat is distributed to various retailers. The distribution process is carefully managed to ensure that the meat arrives fresh and in perfect condition. From the processing plant to the store shelves, every step is designed to maintain the highest standards of quality. Consumers can then purchase the meat from their local grocery stores. Knowing the care and precision that goes into each step of the process, they can be confident in the quality of the product they are buying. From the processing plant to the dinner table, the journey of pork is one of careful planning, skilled craftsmanship, and a commitment to quality. Families can enjoy their meals knowing that every step has been taken to ensure the best possible product. Section 6. Technology takes over efficiency and precision in meat processing. Modern pork processing plants rely heavily on technology. Automated systems control the movement of carcasses along the processing line, Machines assist with cutting, trimming, and deboning the meat. This increases efficiency and reduces the risk of contamination. Computerized systems monitor temperature and other factors throughout the process. This ensures the safety and quality of the meat. Technology plays a crucial role in meeting the demands of large-scale pork production. Section 7. The human element, workers, and their role in the industry. While technology is important, human workers are still essential in pork processing plants. Skilled butchers use their expertise to ensure the quality of the meat cuts. Workers inspect the meat at various stages to identify and remove any imperfections. They also operate and maintain the machinery, ensuring the smooth running of the plant. The work can be demanding, but these workers play a vital role in providing safe and affordable pork products. Section 8. The price of progress. Examining the benefits of modern pork production. Modern pork production methods have led to significant benefits. Farmers can now raise healthier pigs more efficiently. This has increased the availability and affordability of pork for consumers. Technology has improved the safety and quality of the meat. Consumers benefit from a wider variety of pork products. The industry also provides jobs for many people, from farm workers to processing plant employees. Modern pork production has played a significant role in feeding a growing global population. Section 9. Ethical considerations, animal welfare and environmental impacts. While modern pork production offers many benefits, it also raises ethical concerns. Some people question the ethics of raising animals in confined spaces. There are concerns about the environmental impact of large-scale farming. The use of antibiotics in livestock feed is another concern. It is important to consider these issues and find ways to improve animal welfare and reduce the environmental footprint of pork production. Consumers should be aware of these issues and make informed choices about the pork they consume.